Sure. So we talked a little bit about the core values of Champlain Valley Equipment, and really, simply stated, it's to be a business that is looking forward, providing an environment for respect for employees, where employees can grow and develop and enjoy their job, and a high quality experience for our customer base. We really try to make sure that customers come to deal with us because of quality as opposed to strictly a price-oriented decision. So on the one hand, a positive place for employees, on the other hand, a positive experience for our customers, and the third leg of that stool being a profitable, forward-looking business. As I think about those, I know that in many ways, customers come to our business to deal with those employees, and the employees, because they feel pride in what they do on a daily basis, they're constantly reaching out and putting their stamp on that transaction. And so when an employee comes here, they come for Champlain Valley Equipment. They really come to do business with those employees. And I think of going into restaurants across town and hearing from one of the patrons there of all the great things that one of the employees has done to help them get going in the middle of some crisis during when they had crop down, or when I'm at one of the other towns in where we have businesses, and to hear from some customer of the extra efforts that somebody put forth, and likewise from our employees when they reach out to some customer who's had something devastating in the family, a loss or something. It's really an environment of mutual respect between the two, and I think that positive mutual business arrangement, so to speak, is what has allowed us to prosper.